Power! Power!
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I would like your opinion on which one sounds the best. I shall go outside and I shall try the Thunderbolt TX first, then I'll try the Alba, then I'll try the Realistic. I'd like your honest opinion on which one you think is going to give the best audio. They'll all be given the Homebase 30 Plus, but it's the audio I'm concerned about. Which one's got the best audio? Thank you very much.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Just check I'm speaking to the mouthpiece. Yep, that's right there. Audio check on the Thunderbolt TX handheld. Very close to the Homebase antenna. This is not a signal test, it's audio test. This is the Thunderbolt TX testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, I'll switch this one off and I'll go and get the Alba. Stand by. I'm there going to do that. This is the Alba, just to confirm, I've got a tone on it. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the Alba handheld on the old NiCads. Very close to the base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just an audio test, not a signal test, just audio. End of test. Switching over to the Realistic, so stand by. This is the Realistic handheld. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Speaking right into the internal microphone on the handheld. As I say, not a signal test, an audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the Realistic TRC 1001. Right, I shall go back indoors and have a playback of the video and see what's what. Standing by.